1/2/22. New Year has come and passed. Christmas is over. We had that rally that happened during the Christmas holiday and going into the new year at all-time highs going into the month of January. Year 2022 is going to bring extreme volatility. The volatility at times is going to be so high it's going to make you throw up. I promise. We're at all-time highs starting out a new year. You're going to have more volatility hit in the month of January of 2022, along with earnings and all the other issues with the Fed and everything. I can just tell you right now, when you look at the 2022 S&P 500 at all-time highs was overbought. They got away with this rally that happened during the holiday when no one was around. What's even more frustrating, yes, we test 100-day and we do all of that. And we're up here, we have earnings season once again. S&P 500 will not have the returns it had in 2021. The Dow will not have those returns. Here's the next one. NASDAQ Composite is going to get torched. The volatility in tech stocks are going to reach record levels that investors and traders are not even in tune with, let alone ready for it. So what I will tell you is this. You better put your seatbelt on and you better join us in 2022. That market volatility will send you back here. After 35 years of these markets and volatility, I've seen it all. Not only have I seen it all, how ridiculous with COVID killing everybody, and you got markets at highs. Okay, here we are on the NASDAQ 100. Heavy tech index is going to get crushed. We have earnings season coming. The volatility is going to be horrendous. And let me tell you about this volatility. Your president, Joe Biden, is the one behind this volatility. He's the one causing the trouble for Americans. I am telling you, in year 2022, the volatility in all of these exchanges are going to be totally different than it was in 2020. 2021 is gone forever. And we are going, after having 3 years of great returns, what I am telling you in calendar 2022, in all of these indexes, particularly some of the ETFs, the QQQ, the SPY, you're going to have serious intraday volatility. You're going to have serious big gap downs in these markets. You're going to have what a real stock market is, trading volatility. And all of you people, you could throw a dart at a dartboard and make money in the market. Those days, sorry, they're coming to an end, pal. And what do I mean? Volatility. Volatility. 35 years. I've seen big volatility. And let me tell you what, that last 3-year cycle, kiss it goodbye. It's over. It's gone. You better come to grips with it. You better come to grips with lower growth. You better come to grips with the Fed. You better come big time grips with that Biden administration and all their failure, losing policies. The inflation factor is just going to burn people. It already is. It's burning every one of us. We don't get as much food when we go to the store. We don't get as much gasoline either. And to heat our homes, keep us warm, those prices are, everything is at all-time highs. And there is a big super disconnect. What you're doing with this new year, you're expecting these big results that are going to happen, and you're all crowned up thinking, hey, it's going to be great. No, you're wrong. And when you find out how wrong you are, you will come back here. You will get in the live trading room. You will take the right steps. We'll give you the entries, the exits, the stop losses, and all the trade management. You're going to need it. And all of these other trading websites, I've been around 35 years. You have these clowns been around a couple years. You click on their little ad, this and that. They can't show you nothing. You can believe what you see here. You can believe it because when you're in the live trading room, you can believe what you see, not some stupid ad telling you how great they are. That doesn't cut it. Don't buy into it either. What you want to do is get together with us. We know the volatility. We know what's coming. We know how the earnings are going to get crushed. We know that there'll be good, strong pockets at times, but they will fade and go right away. And I can just tell you, I've seen this story. Stocks are at their highest valuations. I mean, come on, give me a break. And you're going into a calendar year, and everybody thinks they're going to get those returns they got in 2021 and in year 2020. No, those 2 years are gone forever. You heard me. 2022. You're going to have super big market volatility. Yes, things will get oversold and they'll bounce. Yes, things will get overbought and they'll crater. There's going to be a lot of trading that goes on in here. And right now, everything is, look at, they took 6 trading days to get these markets up at the highs, and they're going to crater them in the month of January. And what goes after that, February, March, and whatnot, it's not going to be a total catastrophe, but the volatility will eat you. It will eat you just like you going to get something to eat at a Burger King restaurant, just like you eat your hamburger. Well, volatility is going to eat you in 2022. And you don't know how to trade volatility? You won't last. You'll last as long as your money lasts. And if you have the great ideas, your money will last until you don't have any more. That's the bottom line. That's what 2022 is going to have in store. There'll be pockets of huge volatility. And volatility has downside volatility, and it also has upside volatility. This time, though, it's not going to be like 2021. Kiss it goodbye. It's over. And you're going to deal with earnings this month. And you're going to deal with market volatility moving forward. If you still have any money left, then you visit us or you start the new year now. But I will tell you, mark my words, the volatility gets big, super big. And you can mark my words, and I'll put my 35-year career behind it. And let me tell you, you're not ready for it, but you're going to get your doses of it, and nothing's stopping it. That's what I have to say about 2022 and the volatility. And remember, it works both ways, but you're going to have a heavier weighted downside volatility than the upside volatility. Yes, there will be upside volatility. There has always been. The problem is what that momentum of the upside volatility will bring. Okay? Stock markets have to go up and they have to go down. And I'm telling you, in 2022, and the trading day starts tomorrow, you will go down that road of volatility. You will go down this earnings season that starts this month, and you are going to see some of the biggest drops and some big pops. Of course, you always have big pops. It's not Armageddon. It's just that this market is super overpriced. Equities are overpriced. The 10-year will go up much higher than what it is. The Fed is going to be slamming rates higher, and markets are going to have to deal with that. Now, the real next major meeting will be in March of 2022, and we expect them to hit it. However, they're so far behind, they should raise it 1 full point on the interest rates. People have everything wrong about rates. When rates go higher, in this case, rates are going to go higher because of inflation. But rates, when they go higher, it's because the economy is growing. A lot of people have it backwards. Overnight Fed fund rate at 0. Japan did that. Look where it got them. When you keep rates at 0, look where it got Japan. And the United States stock markets are headed in the wrong direction. Overnight Fed fund rate is at 0. It should be at 2.25 overnight Fed funds rate. 2.25% overnight. They need to raise those rates to get rid of this inflation, or at least get in tune with it. But it's going to bring the volatility. And this is the year 2022 is the turning point of what historical stock markets, historical trends, everything that goes along with it. We have ETF, Bitcoin trading, stock trading. We are experts in options trading. We trade it all. We trade the futures. You want to learn how to trade futures? We'll teach you how to trade that. Teach you how to trade the Bitcoin. We have it all on the website. All you have to do is go there with 7,500 live trades right there. 7,500 live trades on this YouTube channel. 13 years on YouTube. Since 2009. We have more live trades on YouTube than anyone out there. Period. Visit us. Stay with us. Make money with us. We have a managed account program. We do all the trades for you. Open an account and we'll manage it. Put $50,000, $100,000 to get in our managed account program and we'll rip you a lot of profits. I'm giving the warning for 2022 and the volatility in 2022. You better put a seatbelt on when I say you're going to need it, and you might not think so. You might watch the video, oh, he didn't know what he's talking about. Oh, yeah? We're going to find out who knows what they're talking about. That's exactly what we're going to find out. And not only are we going to find out, when that volatility knocks you upside your head, you're going to wish you listened on this day, on this video, at this time, on 1/2/22, before 22 starts with trading in the morning. Mark my words, I wish you the best. I hope the best for you. You're going to need it. I know what's coming. You don't, and you're going to have to live with it.